Never said I'm perfect, so be easy. Said it would be worth it, not be easy. Shorty go too hard, told her take it easy.
I don't even know what I'm supposed to be studying. Hello my beautiful budgeting family, thank you so much for joining me for another video. I greatly appreciate it. But if you are new here, hi, my name is Kendra. I am a zero-based cash budgeter. I budget on a monthly and a weekly basis. I also love to do savings challenges, DIYs, and unboxings. So if that sounds like something that you may be interested in, please consider becoming a subscriber. I would love to have you here. Hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy, and leave a comment below. I would love to communicate with you. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright you guys, so in today's video I'm doing my actual paycheck budget. So I'm just going to go ahead and get into it so we can get this done and over with. So for the budget, I budgeted $1,100, but I actually got paid $1,190. So $1,190. So that's $90 more than what I originally budgeted for. I'm not doing any bills because this is a magic month for me, so all my bills are already stuffed for the following month, so I don't have to worry about that. I am stuffing my weekly spend wallet because I'm not a month ahead in that, so I do need to stuff that to carry me for the next week until I get my paycheck again. So takeout is going to get $55, groceries is going to get $75, gas is getting $50, and miscellaneous is getting $32. So same numbers as the budget. I did not change anything. So $212 is what it should add up to. So let me go ahead and double check. 55, 75, 50, and 32, 212. So now we have 1,190 subtract 212. It gives me $978 left instead of $888. So we are going to come over here, and I'm still going to give my high yield $300, and that'll leave me with $678. And then my sinking funds, I did budget $250. Let's go ahead and give sinking funds $300. So we took it up $50. So subtract 300, and then that leaves me with $378 for my sinking funds or my savings challenges. Alright, so once I add these numbers up, that gives me $978, which gives me my zero-based budget. So that was quick and easy, quick and simple. And then I'll do my paycheck denominations just so I know what denominations I need once I go to the bank. But because I have so much the stuff for my sinking funds, actually I'll do it on camera. Let me just take this page out so I have some room to write. Alright, so we're just going to write down the categories that we're stuffing, which is takeout, groceries, gas, miscellaneous, high yield, savings challenges, and then I like to skip a space and put sinking funds. And sinking funds is getting 300, savings challenges is getting 378, high yield is getting 300, miscellaneous 32, gas 50, groceries 75, and takeout 55. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and go through. I can put this away now because I do not need this. I'm going to go through my sinking funds and see how much I actually want to give to each envelope. So I like to go through, that way I don't miss any of my categories, and so I can actually look at how much is in there and see how much I want to put in there. So for my envelope, I have 114, and I'm going to go ahead and give myself I'm going to give myself 20. Kanaya, I think I'm just going to give each of us 20. So Kanaya is going to get 20. Jenna is going to get 20. Jewels is going to get 20. Household is going to get 10. Fun is going to get I'm going to get fun 20. Holidays, I don't think I really need to stuff anything with holidays, but I'm going to go ahead and just give it 5. Christmas needs $50 to be fully stuffed. Christmas, so we are going to stuff Christmas with 25 this time. And then maintaining my car, maintain car is going to get, how much do I have in here? 390. I'm going to give it 20. And then furniture is going to get Furniture is going to get 20. Alright, so let's see how much that is so far. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 100, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. $180 so far. So 300 minus 180. 300 minus 180 gives me 120. Ooh, this money goes fast. So 120. I think I'm gonna go ahead and give all of these envelopes 10. So home is getting 10. Car is getting 10. Medical 10. Dental 10. And eye care is getting 10. Alright, so that's it for that. And then my low priority is here. I don't know if I want to stuff these envelopes yet because I'm all over the place with these. Birthdays has 410. Let me see, 120. So I just stuffed 50 minus 50. So we have $70 left. My business envelope is in the negative, so we have negative 30. So I'm just going to add $30. Today is, my dates are going to be out of order, but oh wow. Oh, what am I talking about? I'm sitting here writing on this like I'm actually adding right now. So anyway, business, let's just add for business. For business, we're going to add $30. So that'll bring me out of the hole. So negative 30. I mean minus 30. So that leaves me with 40. Let's give B Days $10. And then I think giveaway is good right now. We have 100. I do plan on doing a giveaway once I reach 1.5K, and it'll probably be $50. So 100 is good. Gifts. Let's add $20 into gifts. So gifts is getting 20, and that means I have $20 left. And we'll put 20 towards I'm going to say 20 towards vacation, but since I overspent, and vacation is technically going to go into my bills binder, that way I could pay back my credit card and whatever I overspent in. So let's make sure this adds up to 300. 300. Let's do 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 10 plus 20 plus 5, 25 plus 20 plus 20 plus 10. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus alright, I messed up somewhere. 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 80 plus 10 plus 20 plus 5 plus 25 plus 40. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 plus 50 plus 30 plus 10 plus 40. 310. So I got an extra $10 in here that I need to take off. Oh no, that was right. Alright, so let's just do $10 for vacation. $10 for vacation, so 80, 100, 15, 15, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20, 30, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300. All right, that is good. So now for takeout, let's do our denominations. So takeout is going to get 120, 3 10s, and a 5. Groceries is getting 3 20s, a 10, and a 5. Gas is getting a 50. Miscellaneous is getting 3 10s and 2 1s. High yield is going to get 3 $100 bills. Savings challenges is going to get, let's do 2 50s. 2 50s, that's 100. 10 20s, that's 300. 7 10s is 70, a 5, and 3 1s. So that should be 378. And then for me, I'm getting a 20. Kids are getting 20s. Household is getting 10. Fun is getting a 20. Holidays a 5. Christmas is going to get a 20 and 1 5. Maintaining my car is getting a 20. Furniture 20. Home 10. So all of these are getting 10s, 10s. Business is getting a 20 and a 10. B-Day is getting a 10. Gifts is getting a 20. and vacation is getting a 10. All right, so let's go ahead and add these up. So 3 100s is 300, 3 50s is 150, 10, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 20s is how much? 100, 200, 300, 480, 480. 10, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 23 10s is 230. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5s is 25. And then 5 1s is 5. All right, let's see if I did this correctly. If I did it correctly, I should have $1,190. So 300 plus 150 plus 480 plus 230 plus 25 plus 5, 1,190. So that is correct. 1,190. So I can go ahead and fill out my bank teller slip, go to the bank, get my cash out to do my cash stuffing, and that would be it, y'all. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.